Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here again at Treviso Bay. Today we are looking at an off-market veranda. This one's not yet available to the public. This is the Bromelia floor plan 2+ den. Comes with a one-car garage, just under 1,400 square foot, 2 lanais front and back. Directly behind me, this is unit 915. You have the single-car garage directly across from your unit here. And as you come in, you have this front lanai. Nice sitting area, and you've got a sliding glass door that leads right into your kitchen there, which is an awesome feature. Easy to come in with your groceries and everything else. This unit here is being offered fully turnkey, so everything that you're going to see in this video comes. To the left here is the kitchen, so you have this nice little eat-in kitchen area. 2 pantries, lots of storage space here. Then you have your kitchen, which overlooks the great room area. Stainless appliances, granite countertops. You've got all the forks, spoons, cups that you need. Nice tray ceiling with backlighting there. And again, the eating kitchen area, that's a sliding glass door, so it makes it easy to come in and out as you're enjoying the outside lanai there. Right off the front door is the guest bedroom here. The guest bedroom has these twin beds. And then you've got the guest bath here with the combination shower tub. And just off of that, you have the laundry space here with some storage shelving above. Now coming out towards the main areas, you've got the den here. So you have pocketing sliding doors there. And then you have this flex space to utilize. One of the nice things is you've got a pull-out couch here. So you can use this room as a flex space and additional sleeping area. And then just across, you've got the dining space. You still have room where you can put some bar stools right there for additional seating at the kitchen. But otherwise, you've got the 6-top table here. Nice little living room area. You've got a dry bar right here. And then towards the back, you've got the master suite. Plenty big for a king-size set. And you've got a view overlooking the lake there. You've got his and hers closets. And then you've got the dual sinks here, standalone shower, and then the commode is just off to the side there. Now, one of the best things about this condo is going to be the view. A little cloudy out today, however, you've got an awesome view here. This is a view of hole number 11 here at TPC Treviso Bay. This building here is one of 3 buildings, condo buildings in the entire community that has a view of a hole here at Treviso Bay. One of 36 veranda units that come with the golf membership included. Again, this home is coming to you fully turnkey, ready to go, has a golf membership included, one of only 36 total veranda unit that have a golf course view and a golf membership. If you're interested in this condo before it goes public, 239-671-4046. Again, that's 239-671-4046. You can also email, that's Roberto@TrevisoBayAtNaples.com. Again, Roberto@TrevisoBayAtNaples.com. And for all the latest and greatest information about Treviso Bay, visit our website, TrevisoBayAtNaples.com. Guys, thanks for listening and watching the video here. We'll talk to you soon.